Most people think hedge funds are just for ultra billionaires, a billionaire's playground. But what if told you they're actually using a system designed to win? Even when the market crashes, they're not just gambling, they're rigging the game in their favor. Imagine walking into casino where you control the odds. That's what hedge funds do. While the average investor buys and hopes that market goes up, hedge fund managers make money whether it goes up, down or sideways. They use complex strategies, long short positions, leverage derivatives, all tools that seem risky, but in their hands are weapon of control. The secret starts with information. Hedge funds pay millions for faster data, private research, and elite analysts. They know what's happening before the public does, legally, and while retail investors are reacting, hedge funds are already 5 steps ahead. They buy before the news breaks, they sell before panic starts. But that's just the start. Hedge funds doesn't play the same rules. They use something called short selling, betting that stock will fall. If a company is weak, they make money on its failure, but here's where it gets deep. Some even influence markets not by manipulating illegally, but by making large moves that shift sentiment. When billionaires flow in or out, the entire market feels it. Leverage is another secret weapon. With $1 billion in capital, a hedge fund might control $10 billion in assets. They borrow money to amplify their bets. Dangerous for retail investors, but the hedge funds with team of PhDs and AI powered models, it's controlled risk. If the bet pays off, the gains are massive. If it doesn't, they have hedge fund in place. Insurance like strategies that limit losses, then there's high frequency trading. Microseconds matters. Hedge funds use algorithms that scan market and execute trade faster than you can blink. They profit inefficiencies that exist for only milliseconds, completely invisible to the average investor. What makes all of this even more powerful is access. Hedge funds get in on private placements, pre-IPOs, and deals that the public never hears about. They're playing on a different field entirely, and the scoreboard is not even the same. But there's the real trick. They don't fall in love with stock, they fall in love with probability. Every move is calculated, every risk is measured. It's not emotion, it's math. In a world where average investors saved by fear or hype, hedge funds stay cold, focused, and one step ahead. While most people think hedge funds are just rich guys throwing money around, the truth is they have built systems to win in every condition. It's not gambling when the house always has the edge, and in the game they are the house.